Whenever you start any design, the first thing you are going to encounter is that blank space in your head. You are not able to generate any ideas. So how to get different ideas? I am going to show you different ways. I have been thinking about it a lot, and I also read a book on it by Ellen Lipton. Okay, anyhow, so the first thing you need to do is get a paper and pencil. So whether it's mobile app design, logo design, or any layout you are sketching or anything, don't try to get afraid of that you cannot draw or you cannot use pencils and paper. Just get out there, get a pencil and a paper and start drawing your layouts, your ideas. And this is the first step. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few techniques on how to generate different ideas from one idea. Okay, so let's get to that. After you are finished with pen and pencil, you are going to create a mood board or collect inspirations. So before starting any design, you need to get some ideas from other designs. So this is another step. So for the mood boards, you can use a website called nice.com. I'm going to show you just a glimpse of it. Okay, so here you can see this is a mood board I have previously shown you in the previous lessons. This is how I want this project to go in this direction. I want some font style like this one. I want some featured items like this one, icons. This is the footer area. These are the colors I want. This is how I want the button to look like. And I really love this purple and blues shade. So this is the direction I want to go in. So before you start any project, try to create a mood board, sketches. You can also create include sketches in this one. Anyhow, there are other things like brand values, what direction you are going to go. Whether your brand values will be authentic, reliable, creative, or whatever. It will be fun, serious, trustable, or trustworthy, something like that. So your design is going to reflect that. Also, here we have another tagline from the business. We are helping small businesses to grow with us. So this is another thing. Anyhow, so this is how you are going to create a mood board to get the theme of your design. The biggest mistake I have seen a lot of designers they make is that they don't try to hire someone or they don't try to consult with someone. So whenever you start a design, when you are going to get ideas, borrow one mind. So try to borrow one mind. You can ask your wife, you can ask your friend to get sit with you and brainstorm on some ideas. You can get their ideas, their opinions. So one mind, two minds are better than one mind. So whenever you include anyone, your father, mother, your wife, or anyone, even they are not related to design, you can add them because you are designing for the ultimate users, the people around you. So try to consult with your kids or your daughters or your friends that what do you think about it? What is your idea? Try to draw it. So it will always help you to get more ideas. Another technique is mind mapping list of ideas. So for example, if I am creating a kids clothing, you can say logo or branding. So what I will try to do is, and what directions I can go with. So on the left, you can see I have the feel of the kids clothes. So kids are very delicate and they are like flowers. So I will try to use the feeling of comfort, care, and special. So these are three keywords that can be used to get more ideas. On the other hand, if I go to the drawing, for example, if I see that kids normally draw with very irregular lines, their shapes are very, they mostly draw on paper about their family, about their different cute animals. Also, we can draw different flowers. So all these concepts can be used in getting the branding ideas for this kids clothing. So you can also go in a lot of directions. You can create more nodes, like here we have draw and feel. If you have something else like, or maybe princess, for example, if you are designing for girls brand or little kids, You can go to princess and prince, something like that. Maybe this is another direction. So this is how you mind map list of ideas and generate different sketches and designs on that ideas. So once you draw these, you are going to just work on one or few of them to get the direction. So to set the direction, you might select only one of them or two of them to start your ideas. Okay, now there is another idea which I thought about it a lot, and that is how to generate multiple ideas from a single idea. So for example, I created this logo, this droplet, for example, save water. First thing I can do is, what I can do with it, I can either rotate it, I can squeeze this symbol, I can combine different symbols with it. For example, I can combine a hand with this symbol, so it shows save water, or I can show the flow of water in it. Okay, so there are multiple ideas, but what you are going to do is you are going to take one simple shape or single idea and try to apply all these different effects on it. You try to rotate it, you try to duplicate it, you try to multiply it, you try to skew it, you try to flow it, you try to stretch it, you try to hide different sections of it, and you try to combine it with different more shapes or a different idea. For example, one is water, one is save. So saving, you can show a hand, you can show a child's mouth, that the water drop is dripping in his mouth, something like that. So this is how you create different ideas. Try to start from single idea and try to apply all those different things on it, and you will have a lot of ideas.